Once there was a cap seller in a town. On one fine day, after he made a few sales of cups, he became very tired. He decided to sit under a big tree to take rest for a while. Soon, he slept off. There were many monkeys on the big tree. They saw the cap seller was sleeping under the tree.
Hey friends, look at those wonderful caps!
And the monkeys came down. Took the caps from the cap seller's back and wore them. Then they climbed the tree again. When the cap seller woke up, he was shocked to see his back empty.
Where are my caps? Where are my caps?
To his surprise, he saw the monkeys were wearing them.
Hey, monkeys! Give my caps! Give my caps!
You want your caps?
Well, he thought of an idea to get back all of his caps. So he threw up his own cap in the air. The monkeys also threw up their caps. Then he threw the cap on the ground. The monkeys also threw down their caps.
Who is that?
Yes, the cap seller collected all the caps, put them back in his bag, and wisdom is better than weapons of war.